Welcome back to our series on how to align your enlarger. Today we're looking at the Omega D5. The D5 is very similar to the D2 in that we have to align the carriage to get the lens correct. Then we can align the negative stage. Just like all the other D series, the negative stage is by two sets of screws on either side and it pivots around. For the carriage, however, we actually need to turn it around and look at the back side. To align the head, if it's off, is the same as the D2. I showed that in the D2 video with a color head. If you would like to revisit that, look at that video. I'll put a link in the description. So adjusting the lens stage is done by tilting from an eccentric rod right here. So to do that, we first loosen these two nuts. Then stick a rod into the eccentric rod and you just tilt it back and forth until it's right where you want it. And tighten them up. Side to side, however, is a little bit more difficult. For that, there are two screws, thumb screw here and here, and then on the other side here and here. I suggest you leave the top ones alone, just out of doing this a few times. And then only move the bottom ones. So you're going to need a 3/8 inch wrench, loosen the thumb screws, the lock nuts on those thumb screws rather. Then what you're going to do is loosen the thumb screw on one side and tighten the thumb screw on the opposite side. And that will push the bottom of the carriage left or right, and that will adjust the position of the lens. You can do the top if you'd rather, but I find it easier just to leave these and adjust these. So loosen one side and then tighten the other, and it will move just a little bit. You typically don't need a lot. And then once you have it, adjust the tension on these so they just barely touch the rail. But keep the position that you want. If they're too tight, if they're both squeezed really tight, all it will do is clamp and it'll be hard to raise and lower the head. So you only want them to just touch the column, but one will push the carriage, the other will create space so it can be pushed. Once you have that, tighten the lock nuts back up. So hold the thumb screw steady and then tighten that up. All right, so let's look at the negative carriage. For the negative stage, it's going to be the same as just about all the other Omegas. We've got two screws on this side, two on this side. Unlike the others, however, this one actually doesn't do anything. So everything seems to pivot around that one. So to move this direction, I'm going to loosen these two screws on this side, and then I can move the plate up and down as needed. There we go. And then front to back, I'm going to loosen this one again. I just want to lock it in place first. So I'm going to loosen this one and then this one, and I can tilt the front. Too much. There. All right, that's it for the negative stage. And that's the D5. So again, adjust the lens first by moving the carriage from the back at those pivot points, then adjust the negative stage after that, because it's going to move as you move the carriage for the lens stage. So if you enjoyed that, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll continue to make videos on how to align other models of enlargers.